Pokeball here, and in the last video I promised you I will do some pack openings for you, the thing that everybody is waiting for. So yeah, and I'm keeping my promises, and today's treat we have not one, not two, not three, but 5 Galar Power Mini Tin boxes. These are factory sealed, and of course I know that most of you will say, oh, these mini tins, that's nothing big. But actually, from what I have heard, that a lot of people have had great pulls out of these. So there's 2 booster boxes in there, Sun and Moon base set and Sword and Shield Darkness Ablaze expansion in each of these tins. A lot of people have been saying that value-wise, actually, these mini tin boxes contains the most value against the price of one of these boxes. So a lot of people have had a good experience with them, and I will try to open them for you, and let's see what pulls we can get out of this. So without further ado, let's get to the opening. So here we are at our first pack opening, and first things first, I'm gonna open up all of these cans, and after that I'm going to open the actual packs themselves. So a side cut. Let's take plastic wrap. And yeah, here's the coin. I don't even know what this Pokemon is called. Yeah, put that aside. As I said, Sword and Shield, Darkness Ablaze booster, and Sun and Moon base set booster. And we have a art card as well, everything about Galarian Rapidash. Let's get on to it. These are sitting on the boxes pretty tight, so let's put that aside. Again, the same coin, same Pokemon. I don't even know what's it called. Darkness Ablaze, Sun and Moon base set, and again an art card. I'm gonna leave it in there for now. Third one. Galarian Starfetched. Again the same coin. Darkness Ablaze and Sun and Moon. I know a lot of you guys are saying that Sun and Moon is a total crap, but to be honest, I like Sun and Moon base set. I have opened some of these tins, which I don't have taped on video. But I will show you maybe later if we have time what pulls have I gotten out of them. There are few of them, few decent cards. So again, shiny little coin. Darkness Ablaze, Sun and Moon, and an art card of Dragapult. So there are 5 artworks in this set. I don't even know which one I didn't have. I had 2 Galarian Rapidashes from these 5. And so one of the artworks is missing. Same coin. Darkness Ablaze, Sun and Moon, and then artwork of Toxtricity. Let's go. So I'm gonna leave the packs right there, and there we have it. Sun and Moon, Darkness Ablaze, 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 Sun and Moon, Darkness Ablaze. So 5 and 5. We are going to open up 10 boosters today. Which ones should we start with? I'm gonna go with Sun and Moon base set. So let's leave these Darkness Ablaze for later. And the first pack, my first ever pack that is recorded on tape. I have opened a few of them. Okay, I'm a total rookie at this. So yeah, I like to open them from the middle. So yeah, there's a code card. We are gonna do, guess, the energy trick, I guess. So 4 from the back. And target statement, guys, if I'm gonna guess one of the first 3 energy cards right, I'm gonna get a pull, a big pull in these packs. So yeah, I'm gonna go with water energy for this one. Nah, metal, and the cards are upside down. So yeah, we got a metal energy, Alima, Dragonair, double colorless energy, so Makuhita, Cutiefly, Drowsy, walking on a beach. I love the artwork of these cards, yeah. Rowlet, so one of the basic Pokemons introduced in Sun and Moon series. Torkoal, the reverse holo is a Surskit, and let's do it slowly. So it looks like it's a basic card, or maybe it will be a holo. So it is a rare. Will it be a holo? Yes, it is a Gigalit holographic. That actually looks pretty cool, like a rainbow behind him. So yeah, nothing much in that first pack, but we are gonna get on to the second one. One of the first 3 energies, if I guess one right, I'm targeting that I will get a decent pull in one of these 5 packs. We will do the same for Darkness Ablaze, so 1, 2, 3, 4. The energy, I'm gonna go with Lightning. Ah, it's Leaf. So Leaf energy, Gramble, Pokemon Catcher. I'm gonna go like this so you don't see the last card. I'm hoping it's shiny, of course, but we will see. Metapod, Dupida, Alolan Diglett, Marini, Crabrawler, Eevee. So the reverse holo is Pinsir. Nice, that's looking so nice. And again, it could be regular rare, it could be a holo rare. So it is, it's a regular rare Desudai. So yeah, nothing in that pack as well, but we have a third chance of guessing the energy right. I'm such a rookie in this pack opening. So yeah, that opened up pretty well. So yeah, code card aside, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the energy, my last chance to redeem myself, is fire. Leaf again. So yeah, already you have maybe seen the last card, because as I said, I'm a total rookie and don't mind me for that. So we got a Herdier, Lily Trainer card, Spinda, Eevee, Piggypack, Alolan Meowth. So no, that's not the reverse holo yet. So Sandal, Crabrawler. Oh, the reverse holo is Boulder, and yeah, that looks like a regular rare, but maybe it's a hollow rare, so we will see. Yep. No, it's a regular rare BV. So yeah, 3 packs in and still nothing, but we have 2 Sun and Moon packs left, so let's hope there is at least one pull in one of these packs, maybe in both. Of course, I would enjoy to have a pull in both of the packs. So yeah, here's the code card, 1, 2, 3, 4. For the energy, I'm gonna go with fighting this time. Nope, it's dark. Yeah, you see I'm turning packs, booster cards around like a total rookie, so you already see half of them. So yeah, Darkness Energy, Passimian, Ilima, Spinda, Sandile, Pikipek, Carvana, Togedemaru, Chinchu, Reverse Hollow is Pinsir again, already pulled one of those, and the last card is again, it may be regular, it may be hollow rare, so it's a regular Hariyama. So yeah, 4 packs in, and not the best of luck today for the Sun and Moon, they said. Last chance for the Sun and Moon. Code card here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the energy, I'm gonna go with metal. It's water. I wanted to say water actually. But yeah, so the first is Rotom Dex, item card, Charge a Bug, Rainbow Energy, Alolan Grimer, Fomantis, Cosmog, Rogenrola. I know Leonhardt loves this card. Sandygast. A reverse hollow is Ribombee, and the last one is again either a hollow rare or just a regular rare card, and it's just a regular rare Primarina. So Sun and Moon set didn't give us very much of a luck, but let's see what we can get in these babies. So we have 5 Darkness Ablaze boosters, and actually if I compare the thickness of this first pack to thickness of this one, this is actually a lot, it feels a lot thicker and heavier, so we are gonna leave that one for last. And again, I can feel it, I can really feel it that this middle one is thicker. The pack itself, it's thicker and it's heavier if I compare to this one, so I'm gonna leave this one for the end as well. And if we compare 3 of these, again, this one is very light, this one is much heavier than the one I just put down, and this one is light as well. So I think I'm gonna leave that one for the end as well, just for the sake of this video. So let's go with the 2 packs that felt lighter in my head. By the way guys, about these weights of the pack, I don't know, the opinions split 50 to 50 as much as I have seen. Let me know down below in the comment section, what do you think? Is the bigger weight of the pack really all about having a better card in there, or it's just or it is just the, you know, total bull. So yeah, first pack, Darkness Ablaze. So did I do the card trick? I think I did the card trick. maybe I'm wrong. Okay, so first energy, I'm gonna go with, because it's darkness ablaze, I'm gonna go with fire energy. So, no, it's lightning. So first card we get a Vibrava, Gotorita, Pokemon Breeders Nurturing. It's Phoebus, Purloin, Hippopotas, Centret, Larvestra, a reverse holo of the same Vibrava that I already got in this pack, and ooh, it's a V card. I'm guessing it's a V card. VMAX Cent Inferno. Oh no, it's a regular V or a full art V. Oh, it's a VMAX. VMAX card of Centiskorch. So yeah, that's actually our first pull of the day. I'll take it. So see, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful colorings. Yeah, I'm a bad boy. I don't have my sleeves with me, but I will sleeve it immediately when I'll get them. So I'll just leave it here as our first pull. Let's get these packs away. So yeah, the next pack that felt a bit lighter. So as you see, lighter pack but good card in it. Centiskorch VMAX. So yeah, the opinions are splitting everywhere I look about the heavy packs and the light packs. Some of the people have bought heavy packs, especially because they think that there's something good in them, and basically got nothing. And some of the people have just bought some packs, opened them, and got an amazing pulls without waiting on the packs. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4 energy. Will I get at least one today? 1 from 10, so 10%. I'm gonna go with leaf energy. Water again. Okay, so no luck there. So Steenie is the first card. Dedenne of Vibrava, already got that one. Gullet, Vanillite, Trapinch, Teddiursa, Panseer, a reverse holo of Relicanth, and the last card, oh my god, it's a V again, or VMAX. Oh my god, it's the same VMAX. Centiskorch VMAX. Again, 2 packs, 2 light packs, and the Centiskorch VMAX 2 times in a row. Can you believe that? So yeah, pretty interesting. But let's move on to heavy packs, which felt heavy in my hand when I first touched them. So let's see if the speculations are right, that the heavy pack should contain a rarer and a better card. So yeah, code cards I'll just leave for later. 1, 2, 3, 4. The energy on this one will be lightning. Fighting. It rhymes, but not there. Rare fossil, Ferret, Fluffy, Starly, Aaron, Cubechoo, Rowlet, Jigglypuff, a reverse holo of Corviknight. That actually looks good. And the last card is either a regular rare or holo rare, and it is a regular rare Leopard. So yeah, nothing in that pack. We have 2 packs left in this pack opening, so wish me luck, guys. Also leave a comment what are your thoughts about heavy or unweighted packs. what's your experience. So yeah, code card aside, 1, 2, 3, 4. The energy of fire this time. I have one more chance to redeem myself and guess at least one energy correct. Dead End, Bird Keeper, Solrock, Diglett, Panpour, Spinarak, Bounce Sweet, Dunsparce. The reverse holo is Ariados, and the last card V. It's a V or VMAX again, maybe. It's a V and a Mew V card, so another pull. So yeah, this time Darkness Ablaze. Sword and Shield expansion has been a lot better to us than Sun and Moon base set. I'm gonna put that aside. And the last pack. This pack actually really feels a lot heavier than all of the other 4 that I just opened. Let's see if the theory is right. Code card aside, 1, 2, 3, 4. So last chance, I haven't guessed any of the energies today, right? So water, darkness, so nothing for me in the guess the energy. So yes, Wailers, Familiar Bell, Struggle Gloves, Wimpod, Grimer, Clink, Ducklet, Mareep, a reverse holo of Gatita, and again, either a regular rare or a holo rare card, and it's a holo rare card of Dracovish. So yeah, I will leave that aside as a pull as well. So yeah, 10 packs, 4 Deecent Puls, 2 Centiskortch VMAX cards in a row. 2 packs. They were the lighter packs that felt lighter in my hand when I took out all the Darkness Ablaze packs, 5 of them to be exact. Yeah, but you see, the waiting theory of the cards didn't work out, at least for this set. For me, it totally didn't. So yeah, lighter packs got better pulls than the heavier packs. So yeah, that's it for this pack opening. So yeah, thank you guys for being with me. This wasn't the best pack opening that I will be doing for sure, but at least we got some pulls, as you can see here. Not that much, nothing special, but still 2 Centiskorch's VMAX in a row in 2 packs, in the light packs, as you can see. So yeah, I will be back. I will try to be back as fast as I can to make my next video. Not gonna tell you what it will be. I think it will be Rebel Clash opening, but maybe it will even be Evolutions opening. So yeah, stay with me. If you liked my video, leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.